Hi, it's Claire Saunders from What's New in Electronics. I'm here at SMTAI in Chicago, and I've been joined by Rob DiMatteo from BTU. How are you?
Hi Claire, great to be here. Thank you for having me.
Absolute pleasure. Good to see you, and to find out more about what's happening with BTU.
Yeah,
You've been with the company for a while. You're an
a long
established member
time.
of
Yeah,
staff.
various roles throughout my career.
Okay.
So it's been a good run.
Yeah. And are you, at the time that you've been there, obviously you'll have seen many different things happening. We've always seen challenges in the industry.
Absolutely, a lot of cyclicality in our industry, both on the printed circuit board assembly side and certainly semi-pack. Our industry is known for that cyclicality. Unfortunately, we're headed into a pretty good upturn at this point, which is nice to see.
That's
compared
good,
to
yeah.
Last year and some prior years as well.
Yeah. And this year, the beginning of this year was challenging for different ways. I mean, obviously we've got global challenges happening and some internal challenges in the US with uncertain tariffs, concerns about, that kind of stuff. And I guess the way your business is set and where you have your manufacturing facilities, that may have caused you some issues.
Absolutely. We have spent more time talking about tariffs and tariff mitigation the past year than we ever have.
Yeah.
It's been a challenge for us. We have been a long-time manufacturer in our Shanghai manufacturing facility that opened up back in the early 2000s. That's where all our reflow ovens have currently been manufactured. So definitely had impacted some of the business, particularly coming to the U.S. as well. Unfortunately, at this show, we've been able to announce a strategic partnership that we're now manufacturing and shipping units by the end of this month out of our Singapore location.
Okay.
So that will help mitigate a lot of the tariff situation. It'll also help us really expand our global manufacturing footprint for our customers, whether they're in the Americas or Europe or even Asia.
Yeah, because you're very much an international company.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
right.
And it's a company that's been around and established for a long, long time. So.
Absolutely. Asia is definitely a large portion of our business, as it is for most suppliers these
Yeah.
days. A lot of the work, particularly advanced packaging, which is another strong growth area market for us, growing
Yeah.
at over double-digit rates now. With the AI integration, a lot of high-powered chips are being manufactured, and of course they all need to be packaged.
Yeah.
And our equipment is key to doing some of that complex work.
Yeah. AI has been strongly spoken about. It's interesting because, as I say, at the beginning of the year when we were sitting in California, we were talking about the tariffs and the impact here, and AI has been prevalent in lots of different industries and caused concerns, but also there's opportunities. And I think that's a trend with everything. But it's been prevalent in most of the conversations I've been having over the last couple of days.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, AI internally in our own business, helping us improve and streamline operations, from responsiveness to customers to identifying parts. We've been in business a long time. We have a very large install base, and sometimes for those older machines that we want to continue to support out in the field, it's difficult to identify the part. So we're going to start to use AI to help us identify for our customers just what part do they actually need.
Yeah. Okay. Well, it's great to see that you guys are adapting, and obviously the new announcement of the machinery coming from Singapore will give you a lot more opportunity to make the end of this year, because although we're in October, we've still got quite a while to go of this year left. There's still a few things left happening, and 2026 should start even stronger for you, I guess.
Yeah, absolutely. We're very excited that this came together very quickly for us. So we're amazed at how quickly we're able to start shipping machines out. And Singapore is a very easy place to do business. Our Shanghai team can support that location very easily and help out with any learning curve that has to be had there.
And I guess for your customers, it will also gives them another reassurance, because there must have been a nervousness there.
Absolutely. There's political concerns with the U.S.-China relationship. There are some customers that won't take a China-built machine, so it gives us a lot more flexibility to build products where we need to build them, not only for us but also our customers.
And I guess it also gives you opportunities for what you can do in the China facilities as well, because there's other focuses that you can put there. So there's other opportunities there as well.
Absolutely. We've been able to transfer some of our products that were made in the U.S. over to that Shanghai facility, primarily where that install base was. A good example is direct bond copper applications. Most of that work is done in China.
Okay.
So it only makes sense to have us build those products, those high temperature furnaces, in that location.
Yeah.
And that Singapore will allow us to serve both markets quite easily.
There we go. So ultimately, the opportunity has given you a chance to expand your portfolio, expand your marketplace and your customer base, I guess.
Absolutely. All about meeting the customer's demands and
Yeah,
requirements.
that's it. That's how I guess you've been around for so long, because you listen to your customers.
Absolutely.
Great stuff. Well, thank you very much for joining us. We're excited to find out what's happening next with BTU, and I'm sure we'll be able to catch up next year in Apex and find out how the year started for you.
Absolutely. Great to be here. Thank you.
Thank you very much.